this afternoon and evening. A couple storms may have gusty winds, heavy rainfall, and frequent lightning. Heat index values will range from 100 to 104 degrees across portions of north and central Georgia this afternoon and early evening. And now the extended outlook for the period Saturday through Thursday. Scattered. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Barrow County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Walton County in north-central Georgia, south-central Hall County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Jackson County in northeastern Georgia until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Dacula or near Lawrenceville, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lawrenceville, Winder, Loganville, Bristolton, Auburn, Dacula, Oakwood, Grayson,